Imagine in a regular day in your life, you wake up in the morning to automatic curtains and lighting in your room controlled by artificial intelligence. Your alarm rings based on your schedule and your calendar and your time slept during night. Your activity is adjusted to suit your body temperature. Every single activity around you is driven through machine learning. Your mobile phone news is organized by your interest. Finally, the cab you book online, this is algorithm to make the lowest cost per trip for the company. Based on this, the cab company like Uber decide which of 1,000 cab is assigned to your trips, so the cost is minimized for the company. Machine learning has engulfed every part of our lives. Machine learning is the algorithm to mimic human learnings in machines. This is a subset of artificial intelligence. To simplify this, let's see the next story. Imagine that you have photos of your favorite pets, a cat and a dog. Is there a way to explain it to a machine how to distinguish a cat from a dog? You can feed the machine with hundreds and thousands of photos of cats and dogs. Teaching the machine to build up a model based on these examples, we give a machine examples of what we need and the machine learns how to differentiate between a cat and a dog. Classification and regression are the two most popular methods in the decision tree. Thank you for watching, and looking forward to seeing you on the next video.